How to tag everyone in Facebook group not working. So you might be in the position where you try to add everyone in one of the Facebook group, but when you type @everyone, the everyone in this list doesn't shows up. In this case, what you need to do is first of all take the screenshot of the page in which the option is not available. Once you have taken the screenshot, go back and head over to your profile. Scroll down and tap on Help and Support. Move into Report a Problem. Scroll down and tap on Continue to report a problem. Click on Don't Include in Report. It will land you on this interface. Tap on Upload from Phone. Select the screenshot that you have just taken before. And then right here in this section, you need to write something like, please provide @everyone option in the Facebook app. And then once you are done, tap on this arrow icon at the top right corner. There you go, the feedback has been successfully sent to the Facebook team. Now within an hour, the Facebook team will definitely come up with some solution for you and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today and I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for staying with us till the end.